Dusty Rhodes in his corner, his baby doll. The left knee heavily taped. And we witnessed what happened to him in Kansas City. We witnessed the match in St. Louis where he endured tremendous pain. And now we asked Dusty about the knee. I don't think he wants to tell anybody. Look at this! Well, the old Flair high in the air, sliding the air, and goes into the right hand. Shook up early in the match. Flair shook up and dazed. And fans were just in the opening moments of the match, and already he's down again on the mat. Screaming high. And Flair gets one right on the nose. And Flair's going to roll out and collect his spots, Bob. The world champion, he's got that big title on the line, and he's going to collect his spots. Well, the right hand did it to him. He decided it's time. Baby doll. Yep, baby doll outside of the ring watching the action. Well, look at the intense look on her face. She's just staring holes right through Ric Flair. Now Flair turns around, comes back toward the ring. Looks like he's checking that nose to see if he's broken it or something, because he took some good blows from Dusty right on that nose, Johnny. You got to realize what's at stake. This is the big one. Both of these men have held the world title on several occasions. Dusty 3, now Flair 4. And they've got to be the two men that should be battling for the world heavyweight title. Well, every time the Nature Boy lands a blow, it's Dusty Rhodes who comes back with 4 or 5. Reverse hammer, and Flair still can't figure him out. Flair really upset now. He's almost lost his cool, and you know Dusty Rhodes is the best at playing the mind game. Flair will collect his thoughts again, Bob. And out of the ring. Out he goes, and the pace of the match has just been tremendous. Playing the mind game. Flair will collect his thoughts again, Bob. And out of the ring. Out he goes, and the pace of the match has just been tremendous. And Johnny, I think you hit it on the nail. You're talking about being ready. You can just tell Dusty Rhodes is really up. He's ready for Ric Flair. Now they're going to slow down the pace now. They know each other. Make a foolish mistake. And put his title he had it injured in the last when he lost that championship to Ric Flair. And it was really so wrong in that too. Flair, he's his mind. He knows all the time he can come back in. And now he also realizes that that's what Flair's going to play. Oh, that's right. It's going to be his Achilles heel if he's not careful, because you know Ric Flair's going to stay right there. He tested it right there. He saw just how Flair's going to play. That's right. It's going to be his Achilles heel if he's not careful. And Flair's down again. Elbow smash. Count of 2. The champion just did kick it. And the referee. And it's Rhodes who floors him. Flair charging out of that already. And he's reeling from the blows, but
but he went to the eyes. He got a finger into the eyes of the challenger, and Dusty Rhodes down in the corner. He's having a hard time seeing it all at this point. Elbow. Oh, he comes out over the ropes with a right hand. What a tremendous right that was.
His momentum took him over. Now, not via disqualification. His momentum took him over. And Flair over and gone.
Referee Tommy Young said, when you talk about world champion, and the sleeper. Flair's got the sleeper on Rhodes. Dusty Rhodes has been world champion 3 times. Nature Boy Ric Flair has been the champion 4 times, Johnny. Well, Baby Doll likes what's happening so far. That speaks for these men.
And Flair into the turnbuckle.
Trying to put Dusty Rhodes out.
Well, the 4 Horsemen have been trying that for a long while. But that was the Achilles heel of Dusty losing that title. Tony Blanchard there in Kansas City to injure that knee. And right here, Flair is going to take advantage of that. Advantage definitely now to the American Dream. We said earlier in the match he was ready for this one, and he's sure showing it.
And I think right now that Dusty Rhodes has visions of himself being 4 times world champion as he clotheslines Flair.
Clothesline! Flair down! This could be it! What was that?
He counted through.
Dusty for figure 4!
Dusty Rhodes now is going to turn that table on Ric Flair.
Figure 4! Flair! Could he be counted out? Could he be counted out?
He got a count of 2 on him, and Flair got his shoulder up.
And now it's Flair! Tremendous pain, and the champion has got to battle it up! Hold on! Fight that pain!
That's a favorite maneuver of Ric Flair in the figure 4, and Dusty Rhodes has just turned the tables on him.
The pain is almost too much!
High in the air.
Dusty for figure 4!
Dusty Rhodes now is going to turn that table on Ric Flair.
Figure 4! Flair! Could he be counted out? Could he be counted out?
He got a count of 2 on him, and Flair got his shoulder up.
And now it's Flair! Tremendous pain, and the champion has got to battle it up! Hold on! Fight that pain!
That's a favorite maneuver of Ric Flair in the figure 4, and Dusty Rhodes has just turned the tables on him.
Another 2 count! Almost! The pain is almost too much! The referee checks Flair. He's right on top of the situation. The Flair won't give it.
Still in the figure 4, Dusty Rhodes applying the pressure. And fans, we're going to take time out for this message, and we'll be back. We'll continue with this match.
We'll be right back, fans, after these commercial messages about the NWA Pro Wrestling events coming to your area.
All right, fans, action in the ring continues now. Johnny, Ric Flair came out. Again, he takes that foot, puts it across the rope, all the way down under the knee of Dusty Rhodes. Johnny, nobody can figure out what happened with Baby Doll. Here's the figure 4.
Now here's Flair. Flair with a figure 4. I know he didn't understand with that look that he gave Baby Doll, but he'll sure take advantage of it. And he's got the American Dream in bad shape right now. here for.
And Flair now putting all of the pressure he can on that leg and on that knee.
Can he stand it? Can he turn him?
He's trying to turn.
Hey, Baby Doll again!
Baby Doll went over and threw him back over.
Baby Doll again! And now Flair reverses it.
Look at
Oh no,
Dusty.
Dusty, what?
Dusty saying, what in the world?
Oh, he cut that leg out!
From behind the leg.
He cut the leg out like he did at St. Louis.
I can't believe what Baby Doll has done.
She gave Flair the leverage of that position. Out goes the referee! Out goes the referee! Flair backing up, the referee goes out!
Flair into the corner.
Again
Rhodes
in the
with a
knee.
right. Every time Dusty Rhodes really has him in trouble, he goes to that knee. I can't believe what Baby Doll has done.